Truthfulness in patience. Truthfulness in patience involves enduring something, such as an event, which a person dislikes. When this occurs, a Muslim must banish impatience by refraining from complaining through their words or actions, and instead accept what has occurred through sincere obedience to Allah, the Exalted, knowing He chooses what is best for His servants. Chapter 2 Al-Baqarah, verse 216.
But perhaps you hate a thing and it is good for you, and perhaps you love a thing and it is bad for you. And Allah knows while you know not.
Patience has aspects which apply internally and outwardly. The first aspect is patience in fulfilling the commands of Allah, the Exalted, during difficulties and ease, in security or in affliction, willingly or not. The second aspect is patience in abstaining from forbidden things and preventing the soul from inclining towards them. These two types of patience are an obligatory duty all Muslims. The next aspect of patience is needed when performing voluntary righteous deeds. This will cause a Muslim to be drawn close to Allah, the Exalted, and obtain His love. This has been indicated in a narration found in Sahih Bukhari, number 6502. The fourth kind of patience consists of accepting the truth from anyone. The truth is a messenger from Allah, the Exalted, to His servants. A messenger they must accept under all conditions. In fact, rejection of this truth is rejection of Allah, the Exalted. A Muslim becomes patient when they remember the blessings granted to the patient and the punishment for impatience and disobedience. This creates hope in reward and fear of punishment. These two halves encourage one to remain obedient to Allah, the Exalted, out of desire for reward, and prevent disobedience to Him through fear of His anger and punishment. Through this, a Muslim can obtain an uncountable reward granted to the patient. Chapter 39 Az-Zumar, verse 10.
Indeed, the patient will be given their reward without account, i.e., limit.
Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shaykhpod.com.